Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okie dokie, today we have a hometown chicken salad sandwich. We're going to start off with the dressing, which involves 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's. I really recommend Duke's. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then about a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then we want to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And now we want to add about a teaspoon of tarragon. And just go through the rest of these ingredients. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of dried parsley, and a teaspoon of dried chives. Don't add chives to your chicken salad dressing. And then just whisk this all up and leave in the fridge for about an hour. And let's make our sandwiches. Okay, now I got a pot of water getting ready to go on the boil. I chopped up a bunch of green onions or scallions or spring onions. They got like 3 names for these things. And then to the water, I added a tablespoon of better than bouillon, of course, the chicken flavor. And then I'm adding about a tablespoon of salt to the water, some peppercorns, about a 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, and give this a stir around till the bouillon is dissolved into the water. And then we're going to add about 4 pounds of chicken breasts into the water, and basically we're going to boil them till they hit 165. Now, hold on. Yes, if this was any other preparation, I wouldn't consider boiling chicken. But for chicken salad, actually it works out well. So, exception to every rule. All right, see everyone when we're ready to make the sandwich. Oh, and of course, boil your chicken till it hits 165. And then we want to add our dressing to our chicken. The chicken I basically just pulsed for a couple of seconds in the food processor. And then just want to give this a stir around and make sure everything gets coated. Feel free to add more mayonnaise if you wish, salt, pepper, and taste for any additional seasonings. Okie dokie. Got a couple of pieces of bread. Got some cheddar cheese. Gonna put some of our chicken salad mix. And then we're gonna put this, or we're gonna butter the bread and then place it on the griddle. All right, and after a couple of minutes on the griddle, get a little spatula under there and give it a flip. Then a few more minutes so the other side can get golden brown and wonderful. All right, and then let's just cut this sandwich in half and we should be good. So that's a hometown chicken sandwich. Done.